Welcome to the 2018 Subaru Legacy 2.5i Sport for a deep dive into its technology features. Handling infotainment is Subaru's Starlink Multimedia Plus system. It features an 8-inch touchscreen and for 2018 receives a new CPU for quicker startup and response to commands. It is an intuitive system with a home screen featuring large tiles to quickly navigate you to whatever menu you want, be it radio, Bluetooth, or the available navigation system. Starlink also features smartphone integration, so if you prefer infotainment being handled by Apple CarPlay or Android Auto, you have that option. For safety, there's an optional eyesight system that uses dual forward-facing cameras, for an adaptive cruise control system that will bring the car to a complete stop in traffic, automatic emergency braking to help prevent front collisions, and lane departure warning with lane keep assist to gently steer a veering car back into its lane. Tuning for automatic emergency braking and lane departure warning are on point. They aren't overly sensitive and only triggered for me at warranted times. The Legacy is also equipped with handy systems like a backup camera, blind spot monitoring, rear cross traffic alert, and available reverse automatic braking. Like the front system, the reverse unit will engage the brakes if you don't when there's approaching side traffic while backing up. And that's a look at the tech features inside the 2018 Subaru Legacy 2.5i Sport.